Data engineers, we know your pain. Pipelines failing at 2 a.m., manual error handling eating hours, and inconsistent data quality breaking downstream models. Our ETL pipeline pack solves this with drag and drop pipeline builder for Apache Airflow DAGs, automated error recovery using circuit breaker patterns, cron based and event driven scheduling with Kafka triggers, and Prometheus integrated monitoring dashboards. Analytics engineers, ML engineers, and engineering managers, stop wasting time on fragile workflows. Let's be real, your coffee should be the only thing crashing at 3 a.m. Here's what's inside the ETL pipeline pack: data preparation with smart chunking strategies for Parquet files, schema validation using Great Expectations profiles, transformation templates for PySpark window functions and Snowflake stored procedures, automated error recovery with dead letter queue routing, scheduling module for dynamic backfills and SLA alerts, interactive Grafana dashboards with latency heat maps, deployment toolkit for Dockerized Airflow executors. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your pipeline's just got a serious power up. Installing the ETL pipeline pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add etl-pipeline-pack. That's it. The entire workflow downloads, from Kafka connectors to Snowflake stages. Your next Claude Code session picks up the Airflow syntax automatically. Your AI assistant now knows error recovery patterns, SLA configurations, and how to debug slow Spark shuffles. No PhD in YAML required. Just run, engineer, run.